Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to print a document in the Google Docs app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Google Docs app. And here it opens up in Drive files. From here we just have to find the document that we want to add to home screen. Then tap on the three dots next to its name, scroll down, and then tap on print. Then it's going to load. Obviously, if we have a printer connected to our phone, we can make this, we can complete this action like automatically, or we can just select a printer from available printers nearby. And yeah, but that's how you do it, just the three dots and then tap on print. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.